It's always a great day in Atascocita Shores, and our newest listing is in the middle of it all. With the Atascocita Golf Club right around the corner, hiking trails, pickleball,
and Lake Houston just down the street,
it's no wonder why people love to call Atascocita Shores home. Come inside and check out our latest listing. You can't have it all when buying real estate, and at an affordable price. If you'd like more information on this home, please reach out, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be one of the first to be notified of all of our latest listings.